Hi everyone, it's Robert from Bullmite. Today, I'm excited to share some valuable tips when connecting your social media accounts to GoHighLevel. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just looking to streamline your social media management, these tips will help you make the most out of GoHighLevel's features. Let's dive in. Before making any posts, you need to make sure that all your social media accounts are already integrated into GoHighLevel. This ensures a seamless process for creating and scheduling your posts across all platforms. So log in to your GoHighLevel account, go to Marketing, then go to Social Planner. Click this gear icon, and here you can see that all my social media accounts are already connected to GoHighLevel. To connect your socials, click Connect Social, and choose the platform that you want to integrate. Make sure that the status over here shows connected. If it is showing expired or refresh or reconnect, just click reconnect here, then reconnect. A reminder, you have to be logged into your account on this platform to do this. If all of your accounts are integrated successfully, go back to Social Planner, and here you will see all of your connected socials. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can make sure that your socials are properly and successfully integrated into GoHighLevel. In our next video, I will be giving you tips for when you are creating social media posts on GoHighLevel to make sure that they are properly getting scheduled and posted. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.